Today we're going to show you how to publish an open source Anvil project on GitHub. First things first, let's create an app. Head over to anvil.works, log into your account, and once you're in, create a new blank app and choose a theme. Now we have an app, it's time to publish it to GitHub. Click on the version history tab at the bottom of the editor. On the right of the panel, select Save App to GitHub, and we will be redirected to authorize the Anvil editor. Once authorized, we can choose where we would like to create our repository and what its name should be. We'll create a public repository so everyone can see our project. With Anvil's business plan, you can create private repositories too, but for an open source project, we want everyone to have access. Any changes we make on all branches within our Anvil app will automatically be pushed to GitHub, and if someone pushes changes to our repository, it will automatically be synced to our app in the Anvil editor. That's our repository set up, and anyone can see our code. For quick access to your GitHub repository, you can simply click Open on GitHub from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to your repository. I'll also show you how someone else can collaborate on your project at the same time. First, give them access to the repository on GitHub, get them to copy the repository URL, then, after logging into their Anvil account, they can select Clone from GitHub under the blank app option. Paste the URL, and now they can edit the cloned app. Their changes will update the GitHub repository for all collaborators. To find out more about Anvil and the GitHub integration, check out the links in the description. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more Anvil content. Thanks for watching.